You see a perfect smile on your screen, pearly whites and pink, healthy gums that look almost too good to be true, and that is because they probably are. I spent some time digging into this new oral health formula called CollaGum, and things started falling apart almost immediately. The first thing that hit me was the photography. Their website is filled with these dramatic before and after shots, people showing miraculous transformations in their gum health, but a quick search tells a very different story. These images are not success stories from real customers. They are just stock photos. Or worse, they were lifted from completely unrelated websites and random corners of the internet. When a company cannot even show you a real person who used their product, that is a massive red flag. Then you look at the price tags. Everything is on a permanent fire sale, 70% off. Buy two, get one free. Buy three, get two free. It feels like a digital flea market. They want you to panic buy. They want you to feel like you are losing out on a once-in-a-lifetime deal. But in reality, these high-pressure tactics are designed to stop you from thinking clearly. They want your credit card number before you have a chance to ask, wait, does this actually work? The science they pitch sounds plausible on the surface. They tell you that your gums are made of collagen, which is true, and that aging and stress are destroying it. But where are the studies? They claim this formula fixes everything, but they provide zero medical references, no clinical trials, no peer-reviewed papers, just vague marketing speak. And the numbers, oh, the numbers are truly wild. They claim 99% of users felt stronger gums in just 2 weeks. 99%. In the world of science, that kind of near-perfect result is almost unheard of. It is statistically improbable, especially for a product with no transparent testing process. They mention 25,000 happy customers. Yet when you go to look for them on independent review platforms, there is nothing but silence. Not a single verified review on the major trust sites. It is like these thousands of people only exist in the company's own database. If 25,000 people were actually using this, someone would be talking about it. You would see real people on social media sharing their progress. Instead, we just get empty promises and stolen pictures. It is frustrating to see people's health concerns being used as bait. We all want a simple solution for sensitivity or enamel, but these guys are playing on those fears without providing any real proof of safety or efficacy. Before you drop your hard-earned money on a miracle cure in a bottle, ask yourself why they are trying so hard to rush you. Genuine products can stand up to scrutiny. They do not need to hide behind stock photos or fabricated statistics. Be careful out there, because the internet is full of these shiny, hollow promises, and your health is far too important to gamble on a flashy advertisement, especially one that lacks any real transparency or scientific backing.